What's up creators? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a pocket-sized editing studio. So today I'm going to show you 5 insane video editing tricks that will level up your content instantly. So from turning normal clips into cinematic slow motion to erasing background noise like a pro. So these are features hidden inside your Samsung S25 Ultra that most people don't even know about. So stick around because by the end, you'll be creating videos that look like they came straight out of a professional editing suite. So the first feature is where you can make a video slow motion on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So the Samsung S25 Ultra lets you take a regular clip and convert it into a smooth slow motion footage without any third-party app. So let me show you how to do this. So here I have a clip of a lady walking on a beach, and we'll go ahead and convert this into slow motion. So you basically see those waves crashing in slow motion. So let me show you how to create it. So in order to create it, we'll go ahead and play this clip. And you want to go ahead and choose a point where you want to start the slow motion. So I'm going to start it right away. And to do that, you want to go ahead and long press on the video. The video will then start to play in slow motion. So keep holding until the point you want the slow motion and then lift off your finger. So we'll go ahead and play this and I'll show you how to do this. So we'll go ahead and play it. We'll go ahead and long press on this. So as you can see, this is now being played in slow motion. So the waves are crashing slowly and the lady is walking slowly as well. Now I'm happy with this, so I'll go ahead and lift my finger. At the top left, I'll see this icon here to download the slow motion. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on this. This will now save that clip into slow motion. This will now create another clip here on the left-hand side. Go ahead and tap on this. And now I can go ahead and view this in slow motion. So this is perfect for sports, action shots, or even cinematic B-roll. Slow motion highlights details your eyes might miss, making your content feel more dramatic and professional. The second feature is where you can create transparent image from a video. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can go ahead and just tap and you can extract a subject from any frame in a video and you can turn it into a transparent PNG. So this is great for creating memes, social media posts, or maybe YouTube thumbnails. So here we'll go ahead and open our gallery. Here I have a video of a person who's dancing. Now we can go ahead and extract this person from this video and create a PNG. So in order to do this, we'll go ahead and choose a frame where we want to extract the image. So I'll press. Now in order to extract this image here, only the person, we'll go ahead and long press on it. This will now extract that image from that person. So now we can go ahead and tap on the 3 dots and then we can go ahead and tap on save as an image. Now we can go ahead and view that image which we saved. So this is the image. Now you can go ahead and use this anywhere you like. So on a YouTube thumbnail, on a meme, or maybe on a social media post. So this is great for thumbnails, custom stickers, or layering effects in edits. So no need for Photoshop. Your phone does it instantly. So this saves you time and keeps your workflow entirely mobile. The third feature is where you have the audio eraser to remove background noise. So do you have a video where the background noise is ruining your clip? If yes, then the Samsung S25 Ultra has a solution. So the audio eraser tool removes unwanted sound like chatter, wind, or car noise. So let me show you how to do this. So here I'll go ahead and open up Gallery. And I have a video of myself recording something for my Samsung S25 Ultra. So here I can go ahead and use the audio eraser to remove any background noise. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open the video in your Gallery app. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on this Galaxy AI button. This will now analyze your video and will basically analyze the sound which is coming out of it. So as you can see, it has analyzed 2 sounds, so your voice and some noise. So now you can go ahead and tap on voices. You can go ahead and move this meter to the left or right. So if you move it to the left, this will mute the voice. But if you move it to the right, this will increase your voice volume. Now next you can go ahead and play around with the noise. So if you move it to the left, your noise will be completely removed. If you move to the right, you'll have some ambient noise in the background. Now, if you don't want to play around with this, voices and noise, you can go ahead and tap on auto. So you can let Galaxy AI do all the job for you. Now, once that's done, tap on save edit. So this will now save the video with your audio enhancements applied. So with this, you have cleaner audio means cleaner storytelling. You don't have to re-record or struggle with noisy environment anymore. Your Samsung S25 Ultra makes your content sound studio ready. The fourth feature is where you can quick edit your clips on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, if you're bored of trimming, cutting and rearranging clips manually, you can go ahead and leave it to Samsung Galaxy AI. So Samsung Galaxy AI will use the Studio app, which will basically automatically trim, cut and rearrange the clips for you. So no need to edit your movie manually. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open Gallery, and here we'll go ahead and select 3 clips. Now next you want to go ahead and tap on Create, and then from here you want to go ahead and tap on Movie. Now this will take you into Samsung's movie editor. So here in the movie editor you want to go ahead and find this button here, the scissor with a circle around it. Tap on this, and this will basically take your 3 videos and will create a quick edit. So this will basically show you the main highlight of the video. So you'll have it in 2 forms, a long form and a short form. So let's just wait until that finishes. So now you have a short form and you have a long form. So let's just watch the short form first. So as you can see, this is the lifesaver when you need to upload quickly. No need for a laptop or complicated software. You can just fast edit on the go. So it's perfect for TikTok, Reels or YouTube Shorts. And lastly, the 5th feature is where you can create a GIF out of a video. So on your Samsung Galaxy device, you can turn your favorite video moments into looping GIFs right from your gallery. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gallery. We'll go ahead and open up a video. So for example, this one here. I want to go ahead and create a GIF out of this. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and open up AI Select from my Edge panel. I'll go ahead and draw a circle around it. Now I'll go ahead and just bring this down a bit. Now I want to go ahead and tap on the 3 dots and create a GIF. So here I'll go ahead and play this in full screen mode. I want to go ahead and make sure it records in high quality. And then I'll go ahead and tap on record. So once I'm ready, I'll go ahead and press play and then press record. So this will record a maximum of 15 seconds. And once that's done, it'll stop. Now you can go ahead and watch your GIF. So if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and tap on copy, share, or you can go ahead and tap on save. So now this is a GIF which I've just created. So GIFs are perfect for reaction, memes, or sharing highlights in a fun way. So it's a creative tool that keeps your content engaging beyond just videos. So there you have it, 5 powerful editing tricks that prove the S25 Ultra is more than just a camera. It's all-in-one content creation studio. Which feature are you going to try first? Slow motion, audio eraser, or maybe the GIF creation? Let me know in the comment section down below. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more hidden tips and tricks to take your content game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.